My nephew had some issues with his plants due to little sunlight and low humidity. So we decided to do a plant room makeover and create a nice looking plant wall with artificial lights. After making the area for the plant wall free, we put together new cabinets in which the plants can be placed neatly. We placed the larger plants on top because they don't fit at the bottom and they already did fine in the room without extra lights, so that's no problem either. We made sure to place the smaller, weaker plants in need for more light in the spots where a plant light will be placed directly above of it. There was a large collection of plants, so we had to rearrange everything as well as possible to make it visually pleasing to the eye. So we took our time for this. The large plastic container you can see in the video, we were planning to use this for cuttings and very weak plants because it's easy to control the humidity and temperature inside of it. But it didn't fit in the cabinet, and then this happened. Fortunately, the avocado plant wasn't harmed and it was time to repot it in some new soil. We attached 4 plant lights that emit light in the spectrum plants use for photosynthesis. We attached the lights with double-sided tape and zip ties. It turned out very nice with the lights and a humidifier which can be turned on and off automatically. We placed a plastic container on the ground next to it. This was actually better because there was more room for the plants in the cabinet and the container still received some light from the lights. We also supported some of the plants like this monstera with a stick or some rope. Thanks for watching and I see you next time.